In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit or add a workflow form in HubSpot, step by step. Whether you're updating an existing automation or setting up a brand new workflow, knowing how to properly add or change a form action is essential for keeping your marketing and sales processes running smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open your workflow, add a new form action, replace an existing form, and save your changes correctly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the main navigation bar at the top of the screen and click on Automation. From the drop-down menu, select Workflows. This will take you to the Workflows dashboard where you can see all of your existing workflows. Now, find the workflow where you want to edit or add a form. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have a lot of workflows. Once you've found the correct one, click on the workflow name to open it. This will bring you into the workflow editor, where you can see all of your triggers and actions laid out visually. Next, let's talk about opening or adding the form action. If you want to add a new form action, hover your mouse over the point in the workflow where you'd like the action to appear. You'll see a small plus icon appear. Click the plus button to add a new action. On the right-hand side, an action panel will open. In the search bar inside the action panel, type in the word form. HubSpot will display the available form-related actions. You'll typically see options like Submit Form and Trigger Form Submission Enrollment. It's important to choose the correct one depending on your goal. If you want the workflow to automatically submit a form on behalf of a contact as part of an internal automation process, choose Submit Form. This is commonly used for internal tracking or triggering downstream automations. If your goal is to enroll contacts into a workflow when they submit a specific form, then you'll want to use Trigger Form Submission Enrollment. This option is used at the enrollment trigger level rather than as an action step. Now, if instead of adding a new action, you want to edit an existing form action, simply click directly on the current form action inside your workflow. The same right-hand panel will open, allowing you to adjust the settings. Once the panel is open, you'll see a Form drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down to view your available forms. From here, you can select the form you want to use. If you're replacing a form, just choose a different one from the list. HubSpot will automatically update the action with your new selection. Make sure you double-check that you've selected the correct form, especially if you have multiple forms with similar names. Using clear naming conventions in HubSpot can really help avoid confusion here. After selecting or swapping the form, review any additional configuration options that may appear depending on the action type you selected. Confirm that everything looks correct and matches your workflow goals. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. In the top right corner of the workflow editor, click Save. If your workflow is already live, HubSpot may prompt you to review and update the workflow. Follow the prompts to ensure your changes are applied properly. Skipping this step could mean your updates don't go live. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit or add a workflow form in HubSpot. As a quick recap, go to Automation, open Workflows, select your workflow, add or edit the form action using the plus icon or by clicking the existing action, choose the correct form from the dropdown, and then save your changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.